This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy M56 5G smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy M56 5G is a mid-range smartphone that offers a blend of sleek design, robust performance and advanced features. This smartphone is designed for users who seek a modern technology without a premium price tag. Display of this smartphone comes with 6.74-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED Plus with a 120 Hz refresh rate, which provides smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Processor of this smartphone powered by the Samsung Exynos 1480 chipset, which ensure efficient performance for daily tasks and moderate gaming. This smartphone rear cameras has triple setup with 50 MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization and 8 MP ultra wide camera and 2 MP macro lens. And it has 12 MP selfie camera which is capable of 4K video recording. This smartphone comes with 5000 mAh battery which supports 45-volt fast charging, which ensure prolonged usage with minimal downtime. This smartphone is slim and the thickness is 7.2 mm, and this smartphone is lightweight and weight is 180 gram. This smartphone features Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for enhanced durability. This smartphone runs on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7, which offers user-friendly interface and features. Samsung also promises 6 Android OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates, which ensure long-term software support. This smartphone support connectivity like 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, USB Type-C and NFC. This smartphone is a dual SIM phone. This smartphone available in 8 GB RAM with 128 GB or 256 GB storage options. This smartphone expandable via micro SD up to 1 terabyte. Display resolution of this smartphone is 1080 into 2340 pixels, which ensure sharp and clear visuals. This smartphone has stereo speakers for immersive sound. However, this smartphone lacks 3.5 mm headphone jack. This smartphone features on-screen optical fingerprint sensor for secure and convenient unlocking. What are the pros of this smartphone? First point is high quality display. The Super AMOLED Plus screen with 120 Hz refresh rate offers smooth and vibrant visuals. Second point is efficient performance. The Exynos 1480 chipset ensures smooth multitasking and gaming experiences. Third point is robust camera setup. Versatile triple rear cameras with OIS and high resolution front camera for quality photos and videos. Fourth point is long battery life. 5000 mAh battery ensure extended usage and complemented by fast charging capabilities. Fifth point is sleek and durable design. Slim profile with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus provides both aesthetics and durability. Sixth point is long-term software support. Samsung promises 6 Android OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates is a significant advantage. Seventh point is modern connectivity. This smartphone support latest connectivity standards which includes 5G and Wi-Fi 6. What are the cons of this smartphone? First point is no 3.5 mm headphone jack. Users need to rely on Bluetooth or USB-C audio solutions. Second point is plastic frame. While the front and back are glass, the frame is plastic, which might feel less premium. Third point is no official IP rating. Lacks certified water and dust resistance. Now we will see the customer feedbacks. First point is appreciation for slim and premium design. Second point is satisfaction with bright and smooth AMOLED display. Third point is positive comments on the performance for daily use and gaming. Fourth point is price for camera quality. especially the main sensor with OAS and the AI features. Fifth point is good battery life and fast charging being convenient. Sixth point is long term appreciation for the promised software updates. In India, the price of this smartphone is approximately 27,999 rupees. In US, the price of this smartphone is approximately $350.